Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Yesterday, after a very volatile session, you can see here, this was what happened yesterday, went below, this is NASDAQ, price went below third standard deviation band, which is very, very rare. And after this, we had a very nice recovery. So NASDAQ closed 0.58%, S&P 500 closed 0.24%, and actually Dow Jones closed green. So it was a very, very volatile and unbelievable dump and then pump again. So let's see how things are going today. And you can see this is a day trading chart. Those who are new, we buy around green lines and we sell around red lines. We're sitting right on this green line. Okay, so this is where you want to be not shorting the market. Okay, we are down 0.43% on Nasdaq, but this is where you should be looking to buy. There's possibility of a pump to this red zone, believe it or not. So from where here it is right now, we could go almost 1.28% higher here. This is S&P 500, very similar story. You can see when near third standard deviation, and now again sitting right on this buy zone around 63.84, possibility of pump around 64.44. All right, Bitcoin, same story here again. Bitcoin also went to the standard deviation green line and then went near sell line, and now again near buy zone. Actually, it's below buy zone. This is where you want to be buying 113K. Possibility of pump of for from here of about at minimum around 1.5% to around 114K. So let's look at other charts. Guys, please hit the like button. I really appreciate if you can do that. And only takes 1 second to hit the thumbs up button. From a longer term perspective, we are in this zone. I was saying we could be touching this orange line. That's quite possible. And then we could still go higher, touch this red line. In bull market, we do touch these red line. You can see time and time again. We go touch these red lines and then orange line as well. So that's what we are looking for. In terms of daily chart, you can see here S&P 500 after getting a 9 count sell signal got a wick. We got a reversal wick. Price went all the way very close to this filling this gap. Actually did not fill it. So I was surprised they did not leave this gap filled. So very, very slightly left, but they got 9 counts buy signal since then going higher. Live market is down actually. Live market right now is down below 20 moving average. Let's look at SPY. The SPY is also down. So let's see, they might, as soon as market open, they pick it up and they could make it green. So be very careful. We'll see how this thing works out. But again, worst case, this gap around 632, just keep that in mind. They could be going to fill that gap around here. Okay, so keep that in mind. So we'll see if they do that. In terms of Nasdaq, you can see here same thing, wick, but still below this white line. One thing on Nasdaq I wanted to share with you. If I zoom in, the slight gap here yesterday created gap down and a gap also here. There's also a very minor gap. You won't be able to see it. I have to zoom in a bit. You can see this gap here. So there are two gaps on Nasdaq, so they will be filled. So don't scared to buy at these levels because I know eventually it's going to be going higher. So there are gaps all the way until 23,700. So I'll be looking to sell around that area. This is triple Q again, gap down. This gap until 576, 577. So make sure don't short here. This is Bitcoin getting a 8 counts buy signal right now. So I was telling yesterday people that we're getting 7 counts, today is 8 counts. So these are all good prices. Bitcoin is creating its own support here. You can see here its own kind of a support. So that's where it is right now. So could be getting ready to bounce from here. Ethereum after touching this white line 20 moving average had a nice bounce. Now coming back here. In terms of gaps, Bitcoin has no gaps until 97K. Ethereum has a gap, slight gap around 4100. Oh, sorry, that's filled actually. So another gap is around 3428, but I don't think that's going to happen. It could happen. We'll see. All depends on Bitcoin. But for now, everything is looking good. VIX is going higher after 7 counts buy signal. So let's see how today's session goes. Uh, VIX eventually will needs to end this pull and then come back down, but we'll see. Could be going higher as high as 20.40. You never know. In terms of stock, Tesla also again, most of these stocks had a nice recovery towards the end of the day, but yeah, below this blue line, so we have to be slightly careful. Apple still has ways to go to fill this gap. Apple is market driver, and then Nvidia had a very nice recovery. You can see a reversal, but it's still below this 20 moving average. We really need to go above this. So we'll see. A lot will depend on Nvidia, how market behaves. Bond market just holding nicely, nothing much interesting here. Hang Seng Index also 9 count sell signal just going lower. In terms of commodities, crude oil is in nice perfect buy zone here. Had a nice recovery yesterday. Natural gas, this gap is still not filled. 2.78 looking to fill that gap. Gold also just chopping around since this day here. April just going nowhere. Silver trying to go higher. We'll see if it does that. Copper bear flag. Sugar nearby zone. Wheat is also still in the buy zone. Corn is also still in the buy zone. Dollar, let's see, dollar is trying to recover after 9 counts buy signal. Let's see if dollar can recover. If dollar recovers, then gold and Bitcoin could go lower. Okay, guys, I'll keep it short for today. And again, let's see. Do not short here. Okay, guys, do not short here. This is not the area you want to be shorting. This is the area you should be looking to buy. And if you want to know more about this indicator, click the join button in the bottom left description. Join my channel, subscribe to my channel. I share these levels with my subscribers, the stocks I'm buying and selling. For example, Tesla. It's right now at the buy zone. I share all these with my subscriber. Let me know your user ID once you subscribe. I'll move you to members only section. Okay, take care. Bye.